Going in to turn in the complaint forms today.
Yeah, I did a money order.
Hello. Hey, we'd like to turn in these complaint forms.
You want to turn these in?
Yes, ma'am. And also pick up 6 more complaint forms.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Clerk is here.
You said 6, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Going on,
Hey, what's up,
how's
LT?
it going, man?
You doing all right, Bubba?
I'm doing good. How y'all doing?
Doing just fine, Bubba. You have a good New Year?
Hey, man, I had a great New Year. How about y'all?
Doing all right.
Pretty good.
Man. Can't complain. Yes, sir. Apologize.
Oh, you good, man? You getting y'all everything y'all need?
Yes, sir. I'll tell you what, you need to be chief, Bubba.
I've been chief before, man. I don't have any interest. Man.
All right. All right, well, you're a good man.
Well, I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Y'all have a good day.
You too, brother. Thank you, ma'am. You're awesome. Have a good day. All right, well, we got that taken care of.
There you go. Got our complaint form.
That's right. They got a couple more days on the FOIA request. And then we'll come check back in on that. Well, that was a success. We like to see that, everybody.
Quite a bit of success. Finally met the clerk.
Yep, finally met the clerk. Her name's Thomas. I think she might be married to Thomas, the officer that tased me illegally.
That's right.
But so far so good. We're getting things done. Got more complaint forms. FRF activists.
J-Dub audits.
That's right, man. We in this.
We're back at it.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna sign out for this one. It was a short one,
But a good one.
but a good one. We got a lot of work to do in this county, so we'll be busy. All right, guys. We'll be back later on. J-Dub Audits. Peace.